Yo, a man go buy crutches from a war. I end up nearly get him skull bore. Yeah.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Bless all greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You see, you don't know what health over wealth. See? Yo, me say, plus I read a story that the star. I be tell you, say, you have to laugh. If you take bad things and laugh, you know. Zine? Yeah, as I can see on the screen. Zine? A man reportedly robbed and shot by a prostitute after sex deal gone wrong. You know what I mean? He might demand her where she forget. Not what she charge, you know. What him feel like she forget. Zine? Yeah, so basically, the star I say, yo. Man still on my front to write it. Yo, the place St. James, you know, come like all the woman them up there kill her to blow out. The woman them a shot her. So basically, this man now end up lose $85,000. I don't know how true it is, allegedly. Zine. But him go buy some nookie. You see me? And like the prostitute, that's not say more than $5,000 service him get. He must say $5,000. So she not take the $5,000. And that's the thing going on. Enough time that go on halfway tree. Man get them shine and them thing there. You see me? I know man go get them shine and talk. Say, yo, adapt them get after them done get them service. Them say, yo, adapt me have, you know. And the woman them know out there hustle for so long and so hard and can't make that little grand pass them. So them end up take it. You see me? But this one is not so in St. James. You see me? Apparently, he might tell the woman say you have $5,000 him forget. You know, $5,000 him gonna get some shine up and a one joke, you know? You see me? So she say, yeah, more than $5,000 money that worth a service him get. So like he must say, yo, give me back my money. You see me? So that's where now argument start. Listen when I read nice star, you know. Zine. Argument start and like him go turn him back now go up on the balcony in the place of them the hotel or the brothel or whatever them want to call it. You see me? Turn him back now, I must have a smoke or something, man. And you click, click, click. Zine. Come like the gun sticker or something. You see me? Or come like the girl know her thing. She could have do that to make him know, say, yo, I have my gun, you know. I have my firearm, you know. So by the time him hear the click, click, click now and look around. Zine. He might look up in her nozzle. Have a gun. Zine. Nowhere to run. Well, I laugh like a fun. But anyway, she give him 2 shots in him 2, shot him in him 2 legs, so he can't move. You see me? Shot him in him 2 foot and take away 85,000. So come like she didn't know, say him have a piece of food or maybe some businessman or some man where, you know, if you carry around them some money there. 85,000. If it is true, it's allegedly. In the story it says allegedly. Zine, it's 85,000. I don't know, him can't say that or not that. You see me? Yeah. So she boop now she shot him in him 2 foot and take away left him. You see me? Him sound the alarm now, police come and people dead as well, you know what I mean? In and around the compound. You get me? Yeah, so he made up get 2 shots in him foot and the bee rob him and run left him. So I say, yo, I saw the prostitute them at work. I saw the whore them at work. You see me? Right now you have to careful, you know, because St. James is a dangerous place and some of them girls nah touch the road without them gun. Or them acid. You know, so them walk with them acid and them thing there. If you burn up the boy, them may trouble them. Yeah, right behind York Plaza, they say, you know? Yeah, where them hang out. You see me? Yeah, so that's the thing there. Why? You see me, so she rob him. Right now, police, them, I say they don't really have no identification of the lady as yet and a description, but investigations are ongoing. So, but just want to share that you don't know my lion and my lioness, my kings and queen. You don't know. Yeah, man, I them there upon the work, you know? Yeah, I don't know if I always find interesting content for make you know what I go on, keeping up to date. So the man them we are go buy them nookie. From the woman them we are go buy whore. You see me? And I want to pay the woman them money. You see me? Yeah. Think twice because it might not turn out nice. You see me? Yeah. And this I go set an example. The other rest of the woman them where I sell the prostitute them I go set an I go take note and start do the same thing too. Right now that girl that make her name, you know. You know, for hawks, you know, she make her name at St. James, you know. Yeah man, she make her name, man. 85,000 she shot a man. And enough woman have the guts to pull a trigger. And from she can do that, I don't know she can make her name as a female. I don't know. Don't know. I wish her all the best. I don't promote violence, but you know, wish her all the best, and you know, she stay safe and don't do that again. You see me? Yeah, but I say a thing go. All of the man them wanna take it. Don't take the prostitute them light. You see me? I don't know, I never bash nobody, you know. You see me? Yeah, because I song me I say, we never bash the girl them who are there back road that sell them soul. You see me? We never bash the girl them who dance pan pole and who there back road that sell them soul. You have to do what you have to do to survive and provide for your kids, them in the whole soul. See independent? You see me? Yeah. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and the kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. When you can be good, be safe, be careful. Think before you act, do the right thing. See? Then when I look out for my brand new single, a friend song, produced by Tishian's Music. You see me? You can call on me when you need some help or assistance. You can call on me from near for a short long distance. And if me let them with me, girl, I make love, me answer me no response. Now why they call star? That's what friends are for. Good friend with good heart lasts forever. The fake ones with the bad heart would never. Real friend like your blood brother. Fake one never the other. Ask Mackie, some friends up. Yo, but say bad. I try a new song in the car. I now float properly, but soon like it. Brand new song. You see my voice ready? You see me? Tishian's Music. Yo, look out for it. I'm mad pan a mad trap beat. Anyway. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and I'm kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. Do give thanks for the support. Please like, comment and share. Make someone else watch and hear. I don't know. Be good. I'm out.